can crush it.
Go at him.
Go at him.
Come on, buddy.
You can do it.
Oh!
There's 2 more reps.
Yeah!
Good job. Are you going to build it again? Do you want to build it again? Huh. Let's build something again. Okay, help Adam. Show him how to do it.
Okay. Here.
1,
1,
2, 3.
Oh, done. 3 and 4. Yeah.
Oh, no. Oh, close.
help out.
Five and 6.
That is a beautiful castle.
Check it out.
Check it out. Oh, my. Oh, look how tall it is. Wow.
Oh,
So
that's
tall.
a tall castle.
Tall
Now
castle.
where's the private castle?
I know.
I don't do castles.
Adam,
Adam's going to crash it.
Oh! Oh! You did it, bud. You did it. Yes. Yes.
Sorry.
Are you happy, Adam?
When is the queen?
Good job. McQueen. Don't step on it. Don't step on it.
He's red.
He is red.
When the queen's red. You guys are teamwork?
Yeah, we have teamwork.
Yeah.
She's Louise. Can you tell me a joke?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Hide and go seek who? That's the end of the joke?
Ba-dum-bum.
Good stuff.
You all dress up for Halloween.
Really?
Check it out. Dress up for Halloween.
Just. Oh!